We are tracking a cold and quiet kickoff to this work week. A live view looking out of our downtown Holland. Not much activity going on. Good news for folks who maybe stayed up a little too late last night watching the Super Bowl, and now you're maybe tempted to hit the snooze alarm at extra time. That's okay, because you're not going to really need any extra time for the morning commute. Nothing weather-wise to get in your way, except perhaps the eastbounders this morning seeing a sunrise slowdown, and westbounders later on this evening seeing a sunset slowdown. Otherwise today, some sunshine, cold, quiet weather conditions, a little light snow early tomorrow morning. We are talking about a big winter storm system arriving midweek. Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours, several inches of snow will be possible. Likely most of us across central and southern lower Michigan will be shoveling by Wednesday night. The snow continues Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, and then we will see the system finally clear out by Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. Temperatures this morning generally holding in the single digits and teens in the inland areas. Notice this, 7 below zero up in Big Rapids. Along the lakeshore, though, with that moderating effect of the warmer Lake Michigan waters, relatively warmer anyway. We've got temperatures lakeside in the low to mid 20s. Here is a look at those feels like readings this morning. For the most part, again, holding in the single digits and teens in most places. And as we check out conditions here regionally, you see that we have dry weather around, a lot of gaps in the cloud cover. So once again, we're anticipating at least some sunshine in most places today. The future track also, as we focus in on West Michigan, showing you early tomorrow morning, little bit of light snow developing as we head into 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Light dusting at the most for most areas. Many of us may not even see anything more than just a couple of snowflakes, so that really won't be a big deal for us. The big deal comes with the system that will be developing. You see a lot of moisture and energy gathering off to our south, back to our west. This is a storm system which is going to continue to churn northward. Several elements associated with this, but as this surge of moisture continues to lift into the colder air, you'll notice that from St. Louis into southern Illinois, Indiana, northern Kentucky, West Virginia, into the nation's capital. We're looking at the snow, heavy snow at times on Tuesday into Tuesday night. And here comes the low pressure center, which we are going to be tracking as the primary player into West Michigan. We're on the northern side of this system. So if this stays all snow here in West Michigan, we are looking at some very impressive snow totals. In fact, this is one of our computer models looking at that lighter blue shade off to our north and back to our west, 1 to 3 inches, about 3 to 6 inches from Grand Rapids off to the north. The bullseye areas could pick up as much as 4 to 8 inches of snow or more by the time it winds down, and then a little less than that off to the southeast. Now keep in mind, with a little wobble in the track of that low pressure center, those snow totals, the heaviest of those, may shift a little bit, so you'll definitely want to stay with the Fox 17 weather team as model run by model run we're able to pinpoint the specifics of the system a little better. The timing looks good though, with the system clearing out by Thursday afternoon. Friday looks dry. Another system comes in with more snow over the weekend, and the 8 to 14 day outlook takes us into that 4th week of February, so almost to the end of the month. The warm air in the southwest, all that cold air holding on across the central and eastern U.S., including the Great Lakes.